Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. Today we have the unboxing of the legend, the Seiko that was able to appreciate its price twice the amount in 2 years. Without further ado, let's get on to it. Before we do the unboxing, I would like to thank AA for lending me this watch to do the unboxing. Really appreciate it, thank you. Now, with the unboxing. This white box that is made from China is actually the outer box of the case. In it, you've got the case itself, and here you have the warranty card and the manual book. This is actually the receipt, but we'll look into that later. Now, look at the case here. This is a simple standard Seiko case that Seiko usually gives out. As you can see, it is not a limited edition or a special edition, otherwise the box would look entirely different. Have you guessed which watch is this? It is the Seiko SAR B017, also known as the Seiko Alpinist. It's amazing how this watch is able to appreciate so much of its price in just 2 years. The Seiko Alpinist was discontinued in February 2018. As a result of that, most people actually went and sought for the watch. It became a highly demanded watch as the Seiko Alpinist has a long history. I understand that the watch itself is also a pretty good watch within the price range. However, at the end of the year 2019, Seiko announced the re-release of the Seiko Alpinist. In February 2018, when this watch was purchased, it was sold around 1,500 ringgit. Now fast forward 2 years later, Seiko is now selling the new re-release Alpinist at a region of 3,600 ringgit. And if you were to check out Chrono 24, you will see that the SAR B017 it's also sold around the region of 3,000 ringgit. Whether it is a new watch or a used watch. It is definitely intriguing to see how a Seiko is able to increase in its price like this. I'll definitely do a review on this watch later. If you like this kind of video, please do me a favor and support me by hitting that like, share and subscribe button. And I'll promise to upload more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.